there YouTube, I hope that your day's been going great. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get the dark mode on YouTube. This works on computer or mobile. That includes iOS and Android. Doesn't matter, any version of iOS as long as it is iOS 10 and above, including iOS 12, Beta 1, you get it, okay. Now before I start this video, I just want you to go check out my Twitter because you will be able to get future video updates, and this comes in handy whenever YouTube doesn't always send out the bell notifications. So make sure that you hit that bell and follow my Twitter so you're guaranteed to get my updates as soon as I drop a video. But into the video, now the first thing that you want to do is head over to youtube.com or the YouTube mobile app and go ahead and launch that. Now once you're in the site or the app, you want to go ahead and go to the top right hand corner and you should see a bubble. Once you click on it, that will show you your profile or your account. As you can see, mine is TechSavagepro because that is this channel. Now once you're there, the fifth option down the list is settings. Go ahead and click on that, and after that you will be brought to a new sub menu with toggles asking you, hey, do I want this on or do I want this off, things like that. Now the fourth option down is theme. Click on that and it will ask you for two options. The default option has already been selected, which is light, and the option that you are wanting since you're watching this video is dark. Go ahead and click the dark, and as you can see,